Hello guys, what's up? So 2 months ago, I just hit go live button and all the settings were messed up. I was pretty sure that no one will turn up. I was quite nervous as well, guys. And you know what? My layout looked like as if it was just freshly made through MS Paint. But yeah, I did it anyways, guys. So I'll just fast forward these 60 days and I've learned a lot through these, and I've learned it the hard way but the fun way as well. So if you're thinking about just starting a new channel, or if you want to stream and if you are unsure like what I'll do or how you're gonna set it up, so it's just okay, guys. It's just okay to get stressed, but you know what, I'll save your time, I'll save your stress, and I will save even your sanity, guys, because I will share the stuff, the journey. I'll share a lot of strategies and tips as well, because there were a lot of mistakes that I made, but you know what, I learned a lot through those mistakes, guys. So yeah, without further ado, we'll just jump into this video, and you're gonna what? You gotta subscribe to my channel and follow my Twitch as well. Hey, I'm just kidding. If you want it, you can do it, guys. But yeah, let's jump into it. So guys, before I started, I imagined myself hitting that go live button and then I'll instantly get viewers after viewers after viewers. But you know what? Nothing happened like that, guys. I thought it would be entertaining, funny and natural. But spoiler alert, it wasn't. I wasn't doing good. Talking to yourself for an hour is harder than it sounds. I had 0 viewers over days after days, and I realized something. You know what? It wasn't just gaming. It was about performing. It was about entertainment, reacting, and also producing. So everything in real time will contribute to a great streamer inside you guys. So but once accepted that it's a skill and not just gaming, I really began to improve. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind, guys. So I'll give you a lot of tips about this. So guys, let's talk about what I did right. First of all, I created a schedule and I just stick to it. Even if no one showed up, I just wanted to go live with the particular games that I've set in mind. So for Tuesdays, maybe on Thursdays, maybe on Fridays, you can set different games according to the statistics, and you can check the statistics in Twitch. You can check like how many average channels will be there who will be streaming. So for instance, for example, if there are more channels, then you have a lot of competition, guys. And if there are less channels, then you might have a chance to be discoverable by new viewers. So you might be potentially having some new viewers on your channel as well. So it depends on the time, it depends on the day, it depends on the weekend. Maybe it's monthly statistics as well that will really tell you which game to stream on which day. But there's no proper answer for that, guys. You have to figure it out. So that's like a hit and trial method, but that's fun as well because that's a journey. It's not like you have all the set of codes that you can run and you will get the results. Second thing is I just repurposed my stream into short clips and I uploaded those on Twitch clips, YouTube, TikTok. I made new TikTok channel just for my streaming and also uploaded those on YouTube Shorts and Instagram as well. So guys, you gotta trust the process and it will just increase the discovery outside the Twitch as well, because the discovery outside the Twitch category matters as well. And third thing is I started showing my personality, guys. You can't copy others. For example, if I want to copy Speed, you know, like I Show Speed is the most popular right now, Mr. Beast, and like a lot of others as well, like Pokemon, Ninja, and those are like proper gamers as well. So everyone has their own personality, everyone has their own originality, so we remember them for their own traits. So be yourself, guys. You have to believe in yourself, and that's the main part of the process. Trust me, you can never rely on shortcuts. Many people do like a lot of spams, like they go for follows. It's like if you follow me, I'll follow you. And there are a lot of stuff like that, guys, but we have to ignore that. And second thing is maybe Twitch will ban you as well for those improper and illegal ways of getting followers and subscribers as well. Thing is, you have to start building relationships. Like you have to jump into other streams, other people who are streaming right now, make friends. And then yeah, I joined their Discord servers. It's not like if you join then they will join. It's not a give and take process. You have to build community. You have to build a group of people who will be really looking forward to watch you play games or maybe watch you do something, guys, because that's your specialty. That's the main thing that will click only when you will keep on streaming and you will keep on getting new ideas. So the thing is, you have to trust in yourself. That's the main point that I have learned. So guys, these are some of the mistakes that I made while streaming for the first time. First of all, I focused too much on the viewer count, guys. Every new streamer tries to focus on the viewer count and they are obsessed with it. But the thing is, you will just see it jump from 1 to 3 viewers, and sometimes it jumps to more, and then it will jump again back to 1 or even 0, because you are getting obsessed over the numbers and that will turn your mood off. So that's how we will be going into depression. But no, guys, that's not the right way. We shouldn't feel bad, guys. This is just the beginning. We are small streamers. You are not supposed to become rich and famous in day one, guys, or maybe in month one. You gotta go slowly, guys. You have to focus on creating value, okay? So not chasing it. The second thing that I did was I tried to be too perfect even before I started. Sometimes I deleted those streams. Sometimes I didn't stream for some days because I was trying to create all the perfect overlays, cam, alerts. Those things won't matter because it's your vibe, it's your energy, it's your personality that will create the environment and that will attract all the viewers who will try to follow you or maybe even subscribe to your channel after get the affiliate, okay? Third thing that I did was not talking at all in the stream. When there was no one, I was just being silent. I was just keeping on playing the games and I was like, okay bro, what the hell is going on? Yeah. So sometimes there are intense moments when you're into the game and you can't speak anything because you are just focusing too much. So that is fine, but you can't just stay silent and expect people to just show up and stick with you because they'll be bored. They want entertainment, right guys? And I'm not saying to jump and just dance and just do some belly dancing and some hip-hop cool stuff. You wanna do push-ups, and that is fine, you can do that, guys. But thing is, you have to just be yourself. You have to keep on speaking even when there's no one else, and you have to start learning about all the speaking methods, and you can just speak to yourself, guys. For example, if I am going to a place B and I'm trying to use a character and I'm gonna use the power just to defeat the enemies, so I'll keep on saying about that. I'll just speak about how I want to process my plans, my ideas. I'll just try to explain like what I'm going to do, what are the thoughts that are going in my mind. And yeah, let's go to the part 4. And the fourth mistake that I did was I ignored the audio and lighting. That's true, guys. In-ear microphone didn't work that well and it was not capturing the audio, so the audio was very bad and people were just getting bored. They can't even understand what I'm saying and they just left the stream. So that happens, guys, that happens. You have to check if your audio is decent. Expensive things can make it better, but it won't be the only reason that you'll get famous. You have to trust in your energy and in your aura. In your aura, guys, like Ronaldo, like this. So bad audio is a deal breaker. You have to invest in a decent mic, and also you have to make sure that people can hear you properly. So if people are connecting with you, with your story, with your vibe, with your energy, so then you've got yourself a follower, guys. These are my top tips for the new streamers out there. So first of all, even if it's yourself, to yourself, you have to keep on talking. You have to narrate your gameplay. You can create some narrations of your gameplay, or maybe you can just start speaking to yourself, and you can share your thoughts as if you are talking to yourself and you are mad, you're crazy. No one will feel that you are crazy. It's natural, guys. You have to just keep on saying stuff. You have to practice it, and practice makes it better. Second thing is you have to set a realistic schedule. Don't stream like 6-7 times per week or maybe every day in a week. It's not like if you're streaming more you will get more. You have to stream with more energy, so you have to make it sustainable, and yeah, start small and then you can go big. So a realistic schedule really helps in that way. Third thing is you can make use of all the free tools out there. Okay, those tools are free for a reason. Maybe you won't get the highest quality stuff, and not everything has to be fancy, guys. It's just about your vibes. Thing is, it has to be natural. So guys, you can make use of OBS on all these multi-streaming platforms. You can use Canva for creating all the thumbnails and all the stuff like overlays, webcam overlays and all the elements out there. And you can make use of stream elements and all those for moderating your chats, and also like Twitch Creator Camp. I mean, everything's free there, so you just try to learn them. So the next thing is you have to post those clips consistently, or YouTube shorts, or maybe for TikTok. You have to make all those streams and you have to cut those into small clips. I mean, not clips of random moments. They should be clips of moments that you feel are really resonating with the audience. If it's good, if it's catchy, if it's having all the energy, it has to be energetic. Something funny happened in your video, you can just clip it. Or something insane, or maybe you've got like 5 kills in a row, 10 kills in a row. Just keep on clipping those videos. And last thing is build a community, even with the streamers, not only the viewers, okay? So you have to engage with other streamers and you can ask them questions. You can create a Discord server, you can make a group, you can make a community, you can chat, interact with each other. People will return for connection, guys. The loyal people will return to you if you are loyal to them as well. It's not like follow for follow, sub for sub. You shouldn't feel it's a competition. That's why you gotta help each other. In my opinion, I try to help the fellow small streamers. I'm a small streamer as well, but I try to help those streamers who have less viewers and less reach in the Twitch area. So that's how I believe in myself. So what streaming taught me, guys? I learned a lot of lessons. So first of all, I thought Twitch will be just about playing games, just about speaking something nonsense, and people will start loving you, people will start following you. But that's not the thing. In these 2 months, I have learned that streaming is not at all easy, guys. It's not at all easy. I learned how to be confident in myself. I learned from the mistakes. If I keep on creating content, if you are engaging your people, your viewers, of your followers or subscribers, then they will love you as well because you are interesting. You have to believe in yourself. That's what I learned the most. And also respect other creators as well, because there are some big creators who make it very easy and people are like, oh man, even I can do it. It's not easy at all. I respect other creators. Streaming makes you a different personality, but thing is, many people just forget themselves. You should be original. There should be originality to all of these. That's why I will tell you, be original and believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. So if you're just going to hit that like button, and if you're going to stream for the very first time, guys, I would tell you, just do it. Just do it. Yo, you have to embrace this awkwardness and all the silent moments in the streams. But you know what? You have to start it. You have to take the first step, guys. You have to jump into the world of streaming. And if this video helped you even in any way, even a little, please consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. And also you can check out my Twitch and Instagram social networks as well. And please come hang out on my stream next time. Okay, let's grow together, guys. And yo, please share this love to everyone else and be humble and respect everyone else, guys, because in the end we are human beings and we are capable of doing big stuff, guys. Big stuff. So guys, yeah, this is just 2 months in. Imagine what 6 months can do. So it did what it did to me, guys, and I believe in you guys. You can do this as well. Let's find out together. Okay, so be humble, and guys, remember, we are small streamers with big dreams. Zoom! Let's go, guys. See ya. This other game is time. Peace.